If you want to know everything there is to know about Thrive Themes and whether or not it's worth a purchase and whether or not you should actually make it your primary website builder for years to come for all of your websites, then you are in the right place, because in this video, I'm going to be telling you everything that Thrive Themes can offer you and whether or not it's worth a purchase. Hey you guys, Tom Sage here, and on my channel I talk about affiliate marketing, copywriting, and completely honest reviews that are bound to take you down the right path towards deciding whether or not a service, product, or software is worth it. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a completely unbiased Thrive Themes review in 2021 from the perspective of an actual long-time user. As always, this is my personal take on the software, including the good and the not so good. So if you're looking forward to this as well, then go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel to support the honest reviews I'm doing to help you make the best buying decisions. So by the end of this review, I'm going to be giving you a final rating out of the below 5 options, and that's going to be from no-brainer, pretty good, undecided, nah, or dreadful. So enough chit chat and let's get right into it. What exactly is Thrive Themes? Well, Thrive Themes is an all-in-one website builder that was created by Shane McMillow and Paul McCarthy. Shane and Paul were entrepreneurs working individually on failing projects before they met. Now, Shane's marketing background, which was pretty good, and Paul's technical expertise proved to be a great match, and the two quickly got to work. Now, what the duo realized when they first teamed up was that a lot of plugins and themes were scattered all over WordPress, and it was a bit of a mess. Secondly, none of those themes or plugins were optimized for building fast, high-converting websites. And so Thrive Themes was born. Thrive Themes began, I believe, in 2015, and right now it's serving more than 114,000 customers. Now, based on the above, I can completely confirm that Thrive Themes is passing the credibility check, certainly not a scam. So what is Thrive Themes claiming to do for you? So if you use Thrive Themes, you're going to be able to create your own website at lightning speed with a setup wizard that'll get you started in minutes. You'll enjoy using the fastest and most intuitive visual editor in WordPress. So if you have experience using Elementor or Beaver Builder, then you're going to be quite familiar with the drag and drop visual editor you'll find in Thrive Themes. Thrive Themes also promises that you'll be able to build mailing lists very, very quickly by having full control over every aspect of your opt-in design and process. You'll be able to boost your website engagement through quiz landers, so you can actually create your own quizzes and have your readers or viewers interact, and you can boost your engagement that way. So you can also build professional grade online courses, which is actually very interesting. Not a lot of website builders have that feature. So you could also do A/B testing to optimize your landing pages. You can test headers, you can test copy, and you could really see for yourself what is converting best. Thrive Themes also has very advanced testimonials and scarcity features that you could use to boost your engagement and your sales. So what exactly is Thrive Themes? Well, Thrive Themes is a complete website builder suite. With Thrive Themes, you can pick between hundreds of high converting pre-made templates to build your website. You can customize every single element the eyes can see with very intuitive drag and drop features, as I mentioned earlier. You're able to integrate unlimited quizzes on any page in your website to boost engagement or sales. You can build an unlimited number of online courses with a premium feel. You can pick between hundreds of high converting opt-in pages to build your email lists. You can also allow your readers to comment on all your posts with Thrive Comments. Now, Thrive Comments is complete with very innovative features such as upvoting, downvoting, gamified comment incentives, and a very impressive number of after-comment actions. You'll also have access to Thrive University, which is full of incredible marketing courses that are completely free. As you can see, Thrive Themes has a ton to offer you if you have or plan to have an online business. And it doesn't matter what business you're working on. It could be dropshipping, affiliate marketing, Google AdSense, blogging, copywriting, really any other online business you can think of. So let's break it all down. 2 years ago, I got sick of ClickFunnels, and I really got sick of its ridiculously pricey monthly fees. I felt ClickFunnels was surrounded by a cult of advocates who gave inflated testimonials that really over-glorified ClickFunnels with unrealistic expectations. Now, for all the hype, ClickFunnels lacked a ton of features to justify the price tag of $3,564 a year plus taxes. I decided enough was enough, and I started exploring alternatives. When I started doing my research, I really compiled the most important criteria when looking for a website builder. Now, for me, this was the order of importance. Number one, I wanted a reasonable monthly pricing, especially after dealing with ClickFunnels' ridiculous pricing. Secondly, I needed unlimited support. I'm not a designer and I'm not a programmer, so having support was really important. I also needed an all-in-one tool. I didn't want to pay several monthly costs for different softwares to do different things. I preferred to have one software that I paid for that did everything I wanted, or anything really as close to that as possible. Secondly, I needed an intuitive drag and drop visual editor. That was really important for me. I also needed flexibility. Now, I wanted a website that would allow me to do dropshipping if I wanted, a website that would allow me to do affiliate marketing if I wanted, or blogging if I wanted, or copywriting. So I really wanted a very flexible website builder that would allow me to pursue any kind of online business. So I was also looking for premium, unique landing designs that were not overused and just flooded on the internet by thousands of marketers. I wanted to maintain a form of brand uniqueness, right? I didn't want every website out there to have a design from the same source that I have. One of the most important things as well is I needed the capacity to build lightning speed websites. I understand that not only is it very important for user experience to have a very fast website, but it's also very important for ranking on Google. So having all these criteria in mind, I came across Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, and a few other website builders. The issue I had with Shopify is that it's geared mainly towards dropshipping. Wix was very well priced. However, it had extremely generic website designs that everybody and their grandmas were using. So if you go on a lot of websites out there, you're going to find that a lot of them are using Wix because it's so cheap that everybody's out there getting it. So I knew that would kill my brand awareness or my brand uniqueness, So I decided Wix was definitely out of the question. Squarespace was also reasonably priced and had excellent features. However, the package simply wasn't good enough. An expensive upgrade was required to get what I needed out of Squarespace, so I decided that wasn't what I was looking for either. Now, everything else I found was either super pricey or completely lackluster in terms of the features it offered. Eventually, I came across Thrive Themes, and I ticked all my boxes, and I knew that I found the website builder that I was looking for. Now, as much as I love Thrive Themes, there are setbacks you need to be aware of. And in all my reviews, I'm completely honest, and I'm going to give you not just positives, just to try to sell you, but I'm also going to give you the negatives because I want you to have a full picture of everything that's going on. I found that the learning curve to mastering Thrive Themes was rather flat. It was actually very difficult to completely master everything related to Thrive Themes. There were a lot of instances where I struggled to achieve these things. Secondly, Thrive Themes support, while they're extremely helpful, honestly, they can take such a long time to get back to you, and I really didn't like that because there were really some moments where I had to wait for 24 hours for them to get back to me, and sometimes they wouldn't even have a solution. But, to be fair, at the end, they always did, but it's just the amount of time it took to achieve something with their support was actually longer than I expected. Now, another setback is that Thrive Themes has very frequent updates for its plugins. Now, this means that your website is going to be slower than usual if you didn't update. So make sure you're constantly checking for updates, otherwise you might find your website is a lot slower than it should be. So that's a lesson I learned. I freaked out. My website was not as fast. Turns out I didn't update. Finally, this is WordPress exclusive. So personally, I have no issues with that. I'm already using WordPress. So if you're using something that's not WordPress, you won't be able to make use of Thrive Themes because it is WordPress exclusive. Now, like almost every other website builder, Thrive Themes requires a subscription payment. You can pay either quarterly or yearly. You can have the choice of subscribing to Thrive Themes Suite or Thrive Themes Agency. So as usual in my reviews, let's break down the pricing, including all or any hidden costs. I'm going to be giving you a full overview of everything you need to know regarding the upsells, the cross-sells, and the upgrades, so you know exactly what you're doing. So before we talk about pricing, let's go back for a second to the beginning of this video. I was paying $3,564 a year to use ClickFunnels. Now, it's just funny when I talk about it. Now I'm paying $228 a year. I'm basically paying less per year than I was per month with Thrive Themes than with ClickFunnels. So I thought I'd give you that comparison just so you have an idea of how ridiculously cost-effective Thrive Themes is. With Thrive Themes, you can either pay yearly or quarterly. Quarterly means you're going to be paying every 3 months. So if you decide to pay per year, you would effectively be paying $19 a month. $19 a month, not just to build websites, but to build courses, to create quizzes, to build landing pages, to create email lists, to do anything really that any website builder can offer you, plus so much more. Not even to mention Thrive University. When you subscribe to Thrive Themes, you're going to get access to all Thrive Themes products without exception. There are 0 upsells. The only time you would want to upgrade is if you start designing websites for clients. So with the regular license, suite license for Thrive Themes, you would have 25 websites. You would have access to Thrive Themes products and plugins on 25 websites. If for any reason you're doing websites for your clients and you need more than 25, then you can upgrade to agency, which allows you to install all Thrive products on 50 websites instead. So Thrive Themes agency would cost you $49 a month, and that includes everything you get with the original suite, plus you get to sell your websites that you make on Thrive Themes to your clients. And you'll be able to install all Thrive Themes products on 50 websites. So let's really summarize the pros and cons here. What are the pros of Thrive Themes? Well, you have an intuitive drag and drop builder, a ton of features for one of the most affordable monthly subscriptions you're going to find on the market, highly optimized to build blazing fast websites. You guys should read my article. In my article, I show screenshots of Pingdom and GT metrics, which are the websites I use to measure my website speed. And my website speed is in the 90s. So I encourage you guys to read my article and take a look at the proof I have that Thrive Themes really does build incredibly fast websites. Now, the other advantages are Thrive Themes is really flexible with any kind of online business, such as dropshipping, affiliate marketing, blogging, copywriting, or anything else. You'll also be able to build a full-blown course with Thrive Apprentice. You're also getting Thrive University for free, which is actually one of the most robust marketing courses I've gone through. You know, there's those so-called gurus who sell courses for $1,000. Thrive University honestly beats the hell out of them, in my opinion, a lot of the times. So what are the cons of Thrive Themes? Well, there is a steep learning curve. It's not very easy to master using this software. Secondly, you're going to be getting constant updates that really slow down the website if you don't do them. You always need to make sure that your plugins are updated and they're all ready to go. Secondly, slow support. I mentioned earlier that you're going to have support that's not the fastest I've ever seen. And finally, Thrive Themes is exclusive to WordPress. So these are the cons that I've noticed with Thrive Themes. So what is my conclusion for Thrive Themes in 2021? Thrive Themes, you guys, is one of the most complete website builders I've ever used. And I've used a ton of website builders. Not only can you build websites, but you can build courses, integrate quizzes, use advanced comment capabilities and opt-in forms. You can build incredible sales funnels that are even better than those you're going to be able to create on ClickFunnels. I even left in my description, I left a funnel that I created with Thrive Themes, so you can see for yourself what you can do with Thrive Themes. Not only that, but Thrive Themes is so fully optimized for WordPress that you can build truly blazing fast websites. And if you go on my article in the description, you're actually going to be seeing screenshots I put for GT metrics and Pingdom to see just how fast my website is using Thrive Themes. On top of all that, you'll get access to Thrive University as a free bonus with your Thrive Themes subscription. With an ever-growing library of advanced courses on funnel creation, copywriting, and lead generation strategies, Thrive University is a heck of a free bonus to get with your subscription. And when I look back at paying $297 a month on a below par, overhyped funnel builder, I feel like a complete idiot. I now pay $228 a year for a true powerhouse website builder. So if you ever considered using ClickFunnels, do not fall for the hype. Instead, you should consider Thrive Themes, which begs the question, is Thrive Themes worth it? Yes, it is 100%. Now, if you're working on an online business that could benefit from a website, then Thrive Themes is the greatest investment you can make. Not only is it completely affordable, but it has everything you could need in a website builder and then some. In fact, I've been using Thrive Themes now for the past 2 years, and besides the minor issues I've mentioned above, I feel privileged and lucky to have such a powerful tool at my disposal. So I'm giving Thrive Themes a grade of no-brainer. Once you purchase Thrive Themes license, your price is locked in and will never increase. At a modest $19 a month, I'm almost certain the price will hike in the future. I left a link for Thrive Themes in the description for you guys so you can go ahead and get it. I want to thank you all so much for your trust in my Thrive Themes review. I would love to hear your comments and thoughts on Thrive Themes and any other software you've been using. Let me know what your experiences were with other website builders in the comments, and I will definitely respond. Let me know if there's any course, online product, or software you want me to review, and I will be very happy to take a look at it. If you enjoyed or benefited, make sure to leave a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Talk to you guys soon.